Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I've come up with a new topic that if we start a business, whatever requirements are we are going to proceed in our business. So I am with my answer. What I suppose is if I'll start a business, I'll be doing a trading business. So here I have come up with my views and I'm here with my notes for you all. So maybe it will be a great help for you all. So here are my notes, and I'm going to discuss everything about my business. Whatever if I'm going to start my business, I'll be doing all these things. So here is my answer for you all, which can help you in any way out. Okay, now we start our video. So here I'm with my question is: you have to start a business. Which form of business will you choose? How will you proceed in your business? State the reason for starting the business in support to your answer. If this type of question is given to me, so what will be my answer? Have a look at my answer. I've written, to start a business, I will start with a proprietorship firm. Proprietorship means single sole proprietorship or an entrepreneur, single business you can say, and do trading business. Trading business is working with different kinds of products which are sold to the consumer for business purposes. So when we are writing our answer, first we are going to define whatever we are starting with. Like here I've written my trading business, so I'll be defining my main thing here. Main step is this: trading business is working with different kinds of products. So definition here will come first, and then relation to that everything will come. Like in this business, company or firm registered, buy a specific range of products, maintain stocks, and deliver products to consumer. Here I am giving the summary of my business, that if I'm going to start my trading business, I'll be giving all these requirements, putting all these things in it in short. First I've given this definition, and then I've given in short here everything. Now I'll come up with next para. Here I've written, different kinds of conditions make for many kinds of business. If I have to start with my trading business, I will open my garment shop. Here main thing, trading business मैं क्या खोलना चाहती हूँ, garment shop. So उसके बाद अब हम यहाँ से starting करेंगे. It has a business which has least legal work and it is easy to start with. No permissions are required for most of the products except for GST registration and PAN card. You need to have a reasonable capital for meeting your expenses. Now I've given certain steps here. Your first step is to deal with manufacturers or wholesalers or distributors. Second step is your capital is your buying power. Third step is you will need a good location, take relevant permission and collect all information you need about how to start a business. And fourth point is, depending on the location, a shop license will be needed. So we'll need to contact certain manufacturers. We should have a certain capital, we should have a good location, and certain permissions like GST and all should be involved there in involving such type of business. And fifth point is, for GST you don't have to file monthly returns for turnover up to 20 lakhs. Only annual returns are required. So here all basic things, all requirements I've written in my topic. Now I'm here with my example, so that a teacher could summarize my topic easily with the help of an example. Like for example, if I have to start my business by opening a garment showroom, I will need all such legal work which I mentioned above, and along with that I have to keep a good range of variety and stock according to different consumer needs. I need to have a different variety and stock. Of course, in every business certain tricks and things are needed there. And now the next para is, what is present trend going to in the market, and keep the range of variety for every age group and different sizes. In short, we can say should have a good taste of quality and design. Here I've underlined it also for you all. Now the sixth point is targeting the customers. Use of different techniques of targeting the customers according to their age, taste and style. The most important part is Seventh point is research, which is very essential. That one should make a long research in order to find the best garments in fashion at this period. So, if we are targeting the customers, of course, it is very necessary. Seventh point is we should also have a good research in our line. Of course, if we'll just stay like a layman and just think that our business will go on and we will succeed more and more, no, that is not done. You have to be in research field in any kind of profession, whatever it may be. Now the eighth point is making a healthy relation and pleasing personality with customers. This is basic necessity of any business, that you should be having a healthy relation with your customers so that they can become your regular customers. So making a healthy relation with pleasing personality with consumers, in short, personal contact with customers is a great help to running your business successfully. Ninth point is provide discounts to the customers so that make them visit your showroom again and again. And 10th point is offers can also be given to them in the form of making an attraction to them so that they can visit your shop again and again and make them visit and increase your sales. एक होता है ना lucky draw type वाला system जो होता है, you can say some sort of things you should be involving in your business so that